Next up, Pieni Piiri. Welcome.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Matti Kari. I'm the CEO of Pieni Piiri. Formerly, I was one of the founders of IRC Gallery, which was or still is one of the biggest social networking sites in Finland. I think the coolest thing we done there was to bring 2/3 of our 500,000 users at least one new real friend. And 1 year ago, my grandfather died. So I was thinking, could we do the same for the elderly people in Finland to give my grandmothers the similar possibilities to communicate socially using modern technology which they can't use. So we created a solution. It's on tablet, video-based social networking for elderly people and organizations working with them. Why to do this? Only in Finland, if we can make 20,000 people live in their homes a year longer, we are saving 800 million euros every year. Our system just got its first prototype users yesterday, and you really should have seen the light on those old ladies and guys' faces when they saw the picture and heard the voice, and they really could do them by themselves. We sell our product as a tablet, including connection, software and tablet, 50 euros a month. It will be available the first quarter of next year. Welcome to our stand to check out more. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.